Yeah, so now we have some pressure on it, so this little piece with the threads won't move. So now you can put your gun at the highest setting, and it goes to the fastest, and you can just shoot it until it's against it, and then you can tighten it properly. Voila! I think this will be good enough, but we'll check it with the wrench, of course. Yep, so we don't need the Torx. And the other one, you can do it, of course, like this. Put the Torx right here. Yep. And then you can hold it with this and tighten it down with that. But yeah, it takes a long time. Sometimes it's necessary, but sometimes the shape here gets worn out, rusted, and yeah, you're forced to do it this way. Whatever. So done with the bar lifts. Let's tighten it down properly. Yep. Yep. You have a feel for it. Yep, that's good. Yep. I thought it was like 100 Newton meters. You can check it if you want. I can look it up. Gonna check it later. Just tighten it for sure with the hammer right now. If it doesn't move anymore, if it doesn't torse, it's good. Yeah. So I can feel this is properly tight from experience. So you'll have to tighten this one down, and then later, of course, check for the alignment, but it should be good since we counted the threads. Now this one, of course, it's not perfect, but yep, tighten it down. Yep. Yeah, give it a little smack. Now it's tight, as you can see. Voila, and that should do. And no more movement, no more play in the joint. That's how we do it. Yep, so let's smack on the wheel again, clean our shit, and check for the play at the bench, of course, if you can. Oh fuck. Damn. It's tiring having one foot not working. Oh, we can almost see it immediately. It's yeah, it's a pure fabrication fault. I don't know. This shouldn't be moving like. It's like there's almost no grease in there. You can feel it. It's very rough. You see. Chuck. Yeah, there's enough play in it. Don't have to tighten it down because they're gonna think I can put on a nut perhaps. Oh, this is the yeah. I'll look for a nut, then you can see it. Yeah, here it is. If I damage the threads, they're gonna think yeah. Don't give them reasons not to give your warranty, because I know those companies. It's always something. Yeah, it's a little. You can feel the play, but alright. This shouldn't be happening to a new part. That's like 5 months. That's a little bit too soon. I think so. So, warranty. Bam. And dat should garantie. Yep. Put over here the rest of the parts. Ah. Let's put on the wheel and test or repair, and later on check for the alignment, but I'm not gonna show that. I'll do that with a more easy car, because this one has a back alignment also, and yeah, you can do it more or less, but not perfect. And if it's not perfect, or if it's really off, yeah, I'm not gonna show that. For a good alignment, you're best to go to an alignment shop. Most of the time they mount tires also. And there you have the laser tools and the computer. They can give you a perfect result, if they're decent, of course, but normally they are. Yep, voilà. Voilà, voilà, voilà. I bought a synthesizer. I'm gonna make some music for videos, because it's pretty boring without. But yeah, YouTube doesn't allow this, YouTube doesn't allow that. Let's all be boring, and then sheep all hate each other and bend over for big tech and the media. So we're gonna torque them down, of course. Once again, if you install cross pattern, then check and make sure you go round, because when you do a check with a cross pattern, you tend to make a mistake. Yep, it's solved. I'm gonna show it from underneath, and that will be the end of this video. The difference in play. Well, there is no play anymore. Done playing. Gotta go home. Yep. So look at that. Another new part for 5 months. No, I hope it's good for a couple of years now. So it's right over here. We have to pay attention.